That's Smithy, and that is his world famous YouTube Kentucky.
And that's your van?
That's my van there.
And who are you?
And I'm Ash.
Ash?
Yeah, you know, from Warrington.
And we're all having a barbie. All Ash's family. Susie and Vicky. Say hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Stella.
Stella.
Stacey.
Stacey. Oh, we know Jamie Lee is. Other one's getting me a can of pop. I'll turn this way and then you can see me. This whole video is on my mobile, by the way. That was Ash and Stacey. I'll tell you what, that sun's bright. Let me go over here. Right, there we go. I've had my hair cut, by the way. I'll show you where I am in a minute. I'm on promenade at West End Promenade at Morecambe. Absolutely full of campers. I love it. That's how it should be. And nobody bothers. It's just, well, for now they don't anyway. So, I'm actually looking at the screen. Where's the camera at? It's up. All right, I should be looking there and I can see you. Right. Anyway, so I'm still on training. I've done 3 weeks. And I finish on Thursday, so it's Saturday today. So I finished Thursday. This video might go up on Sunday, I'm not sure. I'll see what I'm doing when I get back. But yeah, we had a great barbecue. Ash and Stacey are from Warrington, and he's a tattooist, by the way. So if you're ever in Warrington, get in touch with Ash. He'll sort you out for his tattoos. And we met the rest of the family. And hey, what a great little van he's got. They are both vans together. What a night, and look where we are. How can you beat that view? Say hello.
Hi.
Barbie on the beach.
You seen me little work of that?
Let's have a look. Cornflake with my jacket on. Oh yeah. How many stones?
21.
That's that, where's the van? Van's up there. 21. Could you get another on it?
No, because I've rounded it off on top. I put like a feature on it.
Well, the trick is to balance them, innit?
Yeah.
Turn the phone round there, Smithy. Hey! Oh, full of smoke.
What, you doing a video?
Well, if it was a photograph, I wouldn't be speaking, would I?
No, I know you're live. Or doing a video.
No, just messing about. He did have his own camper, and he's changed to obviously that van, which I'll show you anyway. I've got my window down and somebody on the seat, somebody just walked past, he must have spotted it. Anyway, he knew that I was in the van. Anyway, so yeah, so anyway, Thursday or Friday, I've got 2 companies to see next week, and then I've got another interview on Friday. Because I know what I want, right? And I will tell you what I'm doing shortly. It's just that because of how I am, I know what specifically I want. So if they've got what I want, I'll take them up on their offer. So the training I'm doing ends Thursday, and then I can sort things out. And I'll only be working 4 nights a week or whatever. So it's that's exactly what I want, and you'll like it. I promise you, you'll like it. It's perfect for van life, honestly. I just don't want to jump the gun yet, you know. But anyway, so yeah, it's been a hard work training. It's that lad's coming back. I'll just make sure that they do walk past with window open. Yes, I'm sat in the van. Let's turn it so they're not on video, so that won't be fair, would it? You can't tar anybody with a bad brush because it could be perfectly nice people, to be fair. Anyway, so I'll do a quick, I don't know if I can show you. No, I'd have to stop the video. I'll go out in a minute and I'll show you where I am. So yeah, normal videos will resume at weekend, because I finished my training Thursday. Friday I've got a bit of messing about to do, see another company. And then, well, I might do it Friday afternoon, we'll see what happens. Sue works a long day on a Friday. And, no, they're just kids walking past. Anyway, so, yeah, I just wanted to keep you abreast of what's going on. Van life will resume shortly. Obviously, you know, I had to go in hospital, and that's where I got the idea from, was being in the hospital. Gave me the idea of what I want to do. And I'll explain all, I promise. I know I'm kept you in suspense for a while, but I just want to get it done, sort it out, and then, you know, I'm right then. And but yeah, it's been nice. I've been where I've been training is next to Lancaster Canal. So I've been having my dinner, weather permitting, last 3 days, it's chucked it down. But weather permitting, you know, that's where I've been having my lunch. So I've had a few photographs on, you know, social media on the canal. Yeah, good bunch of lads I'm training with as well, so they're all great. Yeah, so Vanlife will resume shortly. I've just, you know, I just wanted to get things sorted out, and then we're sorting them out now. So, right, I'll take you outside. I'll just give you a quick video of where I am. And if you ever see Ashen, say hello. And yeah, nice fella. He did pop his horn at me a long time ago, and he said, I've watched you on YouTube. It's mad to see somebody that actually watches your YouTube. I know I make YouTube videos, but you don't realise how many people are watching it or who they are, you know. Obviously you're watching it now, but you know, it's mad to think. And I was thinking when I saw him, I thought, I hope I'm doing these videos right and I'm entertaining. But they assured me I was, so I thought, right, fair enough. You get nervous, don't you? You know, when I'm talking to you now, I'm not seeing anybody. Although I suppose a few of the vans will say, is that Smithy's van? He does have a Contiki sticker up back, Smithy's Contiki. If you're ever wondering how to spot my van, it's got one of my stickers up back. Anyway, I'll go out, I'll show you where we are, and you can have a look at all the vans that's here. See you in a minute. Whew. My van's part of the crew as well. Van in front's got a spare wheel on it and a picture of a horse. Beautiful. I would have said, oh there you are, getting dark isn't it? I've got the sun on me that way. Yeah, so anyway, I just wanted to keep you abreast of what's going on. So I would have gone to Asda and got some food, but oh, it's Saturday innit? I can get some food. Oh, you never know, I might do a food video later on. I found some fabulous food in Asda, and you fry it, and obviously I'm on a low fat diet, so I'm using 1 cal olive oil. 1 cal olive oil it is. You can actually wash your gallbladder out with so many teaspoons of olive oil and lemon, believe it or not. You have nothing to eat for 12 hours and then you can wash your gallbladder out with it. You have a few teaspoons of each or whatever, every 15 minutes it washes your gallbladder out. Anyway, some useless information for you. I've been studying all sorts, mate. Right, I'm going to go, and you never know, the next video might be a food video, we'll see. Right, I've got to get this from my mobile onto my laptop, then edit it, then put it to you. So anyway, I'll have a bit of fun doing that. It'll give me something to do. It's a nice, beautiful evening. And the sun on Morecambe Bay, it's so clear, it's going to go right down over the mountains, over the Lake District mountains. Told you before, that's why I live here. Ash loved it, and he actually spotted me. He was parked in Morecambe. He said, that could be Smithy's Contiki down there. I was at S-Bank level crossing parked up. And it was me, yeah, so he was over the moon. I was over the moon to meet somebody that actually watches the videos. And anyway, so take it easy, Ash and Stacey and family, and I'll see you all soon. Only 4 more days to go, and we're sorted then. Vanlife can resume, and I'll explain to you everything that's been going on these last few weeks. It's been a hard few weeks, I won't kid you. I've had to train all day and then go home and study at night, so this is why videos have took a back seat for me for the last few weeks. So anyway, we're coming back, we're sorting it out. Hey, I'm Smithy, this is a Contiki. Stay safe, be lucky, and by be lucky I mean it's the choices in life that make you lucky. I've sorted my choices out, I've had a problem, I've sorted it out, and we're moving on. That's what we're doing, and that's what you need to do. Anyway, stay safe, be lucky, and I'll see you soon. Take care.